So guys, I am here. I am from Pep. I went to send some few things. So now I am at the mall. I just quickly need some steak. Guys, when it comes to steak, I only want Willis steak. I prefer Willis steak. So yeah, guys, let's go buy the steak, and I've ran out of peppers, so grounded pepper and salt. That's how I prepare my steak. So I'm gonna have a steak with pepper sauce, salt and pepper sauce, and some, let me think, smashed potatoes. Ah, that sounds so nice. Oh, too much. Wait.
Flower, Mama.
Okay, hurry. Guys, you can scan this and it's gonna give you the recipe for the soups. So let me actually scan this. Okay, yay.
Let's go to kitty cat, Mama.
Been walking down the street so many times my feet know every brick and stone could wear a
Okay.
blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick.
Something.
I know
I take one.
this is where my heart is.
I take two. Yes, yeah. I'm confused. I think I want two. I'll take this and take that. Because it does have cooking instructions. If you are scared, this is the times that will show you where. Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, let's go. Made the biggest mistake to come this side, but okay, they want Kit Kats. Here are the Kit Kats. Girls, here's your Kit Kat. I don't know which one you want. There's the crunchy, there's this one,
I like the white Kit Kat.
the white Kit Kat. I don't know what it is. Yakamazamba muffin. See Amazon. Okay. Which one? What do you want now? Because the white one is not here. Okay.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
So guys, in here I was cooking baby potatoes, which I am going to toss into butter and some rosemary and a bit of spices, and then maybe put them in an air fryer for some few minutes. But these are the potatoes, they're boiled already, and I think they're actually done. Okay, they are done, very done. They're starting to break. So right now I am just going to take them, put them in hot water so they can cool down a bit, and I'm gonna chop them into two medium size. I'm not sure whether I should just leave them like this. I feel like they're too big. Okay, I'm just gonna cut them into two each so it can be enough, and I'm gonna continue cooking the steak. You have seen, guys, I am going to cook the steak. So this is a sirloin, a beef steak, and then it's two pieces. It's 109 rand, 119 rand 79 at Woolies. So guys, when it comes, I don't like, I'm bending my my hair, so I honestly don't mind spending money on a good steak. Woolies steak is nice. Like, the taste is out of this world, especially when you don't complicate it with your barbecues, like with a whole lot of sugar. You're gonna get like a good steak. I love this piece, I love this cut. So one thing about the woolly steak, guys, also is, now they can tell you this part, this is where it comes from, on the cow, right, part of the beef, right? And then it's a thick steak. And the one thing I love about the packaging is that it tells you how to cook a steak. If you like it rare, most that's like toss and 10, you are done. Medium rare, so this is 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes per side, right? So let's just say maximum it's 6 minutes. So medium rare, it's 5 to 6 minutes per side. In a nutshell, it's between 10 minutes to 12 minutes. If you want it well done, 7 to 8 minutes. Guys, don't do it on the stove and then put it in the oven. Guys, you're gonna get a chewy uh steak. Like when you eat it, you feel like you're eating rubber. Like, that's not nice. That's not how you must enjoy your steak. And let me know how you cook your steak in the comment box down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. So now let's see. I think I want this side, because of too much oil, I'm gonna remove my kettle, and let's warm this thing up. Oil that I have. The pan is hot now, so I prefer to use a hot pan. Right. So I am cooking mine medium rare. So that means mine I'm cooking for 10 minutes. That's 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Right. My pan, it's pretty hot. So I haven't seasoned my steak. Ooh, that scared me. So I'm gonna add my garlic and I'm gonna add some rosemary. This, guys, is an easy dinner idea. So those who love date night and you do them at home, please add this to your date night meals. It's only steak and potatoes. My meat is starting to open up. I don't know. I feel like I could say the pores are opening up. So I'm gonna season with salt and pepper. I am only seasoning now. Now I didn't season. I didn't do anything. That's how I prefer it because it will now have the taste, and it also makes the sauce when because I'm gonna make the sauce in the same pan, and it makes like those flavors to be there. So I'm gonna add butter. I am using salted butter, so that I'm not seasoning too much. So with my oil, I am going to put it like this and add the chefs that call this basting. That's what they call it. So you basting, basting, basting. Remember, you have rosemary that's busy infusing. You have garlic that's busy infusing in butter. Yo, guys, heaven, heaven, I'm telling you. Heaven, heaven. Okay, I just reduced my heat. Ooh, did I switch it off? Girl, what's wrong with you?
Broken future. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone you're alone. You're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could